Un pozole sabroso, really yummy. You need to use pork bones and a few other ingredients. Please join me and let's make amazing pozole that will feed a lot of friends and family for very little money. This is nixtamal fresco. It's fresh hominy, neck bones, feet's pig. I'm gonna rinse those really well with cold water. Swish them in the water and you will see that the water gets a little dirty, so you're gonna dump that water and do it twice. Mostly this bones is gonna give me a heck of a good flavor, but I also need meat, so I'm adding pork ribs, country style, about 2 pounds, pork shoulder. Wash my hands. As soon as it starts to boil, I lower the temperature and start skimming off all that yucky stuff that floats to the surface. I have a bowl here with some water. It's gonna help me rinse my spoon. A head of 1 garlic and 1 large onion. Add my nixtamal fresco, which I rinsed in cold water. My pozole is cooked now. I removed some of the meat so I can shred it and put it back in the pot. Ground hominy. Let's taste our broth, because if we don't like it now, we're not going to like it later. Oh my gosh, it's good. I will add a little bit of extra black pepper. About half a teaspoon of dry oregano. Have 2 dried chiles. One is a California poblano chile. I like this one best because it's not spicy and it is kind of smoky. So I'm going to devein them, remove all the seeds, and soak them in hot water for about 10-15 minutes so they will soften. Puree them with some of the liquid. Chiles. Cabbage, some chopped white onion, a squirt of lemon,